Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another episode of Etsy Shop Tools. If this is your first time in my YouTube channel, welcome. My YouTube channel is all about Etsy sellers and how to grow your Etsy business. Or if you are thinking of joining Etsy and starting your own business, this is the place to be. I create a lot of videos to help Etsy sellers increase their business, um, grow their social media, learn more about having a cohesive branding, and many other tools and resources that you could use for all of it collectively come together to increase your sales and have a thriving Etsy business. So, if these are topics of videos that you would like to learn more about, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like this video and also make sure that you leave a thoughtful comment below. I always try to create a sense of community where we all come together, share ideas, help each other out. I believe that there's enough room on Etsy's platform for everyone to have a successful store or a successful business, right? So therefore, let's go ahead and share tips and tricks that maybe I don't talk about that relate to this video. So make sure you leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and get started. On today's Etsy tool that I wanted to share with you guys is called Grammarly. And Grammarly is a tool that you sign up for. Um, if you are currently, someone that struggles with grammar like I do, because it's your second language or just because you struggle with it, this is an amazing tool. However, it's not necessarily because you struggle with grammar also. You might want to improve your everyday writing. You might want to increase your or enhance your vocabulary. So it has a lot of great reasonings why you should use Grammarly as an Etsy seller. Now with Grammarly, what I like about it is that you once you activate and you sign up for it, you download an extension. So every time you go to Facebook or you write an email or you use like LinkedIn or you go to your Etsy shop or you go to your blog, it automatically corrects your grammar if you have any issues. Um, so it's really, really nice. It checks more than 250 grammar mistakes and it proofreads the content as well. So it's not just grammar issues, it also proofreads it. Um, so basically, if you are writing anything there that is like a grammar error or if you have issues with sentence formation or you're using the incorrect verb or the incorrect negation, it will help you identify the problems that it picks up, I guess, and then it lets you know, okay, so this word should be changed to this. Would you like to do that change? And it also gives you score. So it'll give you like, if you write it, it'll say, okay, you got an 87. Because you might have like one or two mistakes. Once you fix those two mistakes, now the paper goes or the post goes to 100%, which means that it's grammar free. Like it doesn't have any grammar on it, any grammar issues on it. So it's really, really nice tool. Um, I also like it because for you to rank higher in the algorithm, you have to have really good grammar. If you have any grammar mistakes, it actually hinders you. Also, you have to think about there are potential buyers out there that might go to your Etsy shop, buy from you, and if you have any issues with your listing description and having grammar issues, they might not buy from you as well. And then if you just want something to help you enhance your, like I said earlier, your vocabulary by adding like various words or synonyms, is a really, really great way to increase your vocabulary, attract potential buyers, and keep them as well. So this is how it looks like. I actually use it for personal and for my business. So as you can see, I use it a lot. So it's a great tool. And this is basically what it does when you go in it. Like it'll tell you this needs an apostrophe, and then you type something in and it'll tell you, you know, you used the wrong word. the wrong preposition, and then maybe you typed in, you put you are, it'll tell you you were supposed to put your. So it tells you when you need to change a verb, when you need to, miswritten word, like if you put something like without and you separate it. If you put the wrong word, you meant to put effective, but you put affective. So it kind of does all that. It's really, really nice. I will leave the link below on the text box so you can learn more about it. I do get a commission, a small commission, if you were to join using my link. I really appreciate it if you use that link. Um, I only recommend products that I currently use or that I have used in the past that I know are very effective and good. And this is one of my top tools that I currently use, that I've been using for years, that I absolutely love. So just wanted to share with you guys another tool that you might find useful for Etsy, blogging, and also posting on your social media. So make sure you leave a comment below if you guys have any questions about this video. And thanks for watching. See you then.